Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy lines on my daily routine. Before starting, I would like to tell you all that if you are not following my Facebook page, then do follow my Facebook page because I will be uploading the PDF of this 10 easy lines essay on my Facebook page. Link to my Facebook page is given in the description box, so do check out the description box also. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. My name is Rida. I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my hands and face. After that, I go to the nearest park with my father and do some exercise. Then I freshen up and have my breakfast. I go to school at 9 o'clock and I eat my lunch in the school break time. I get back to home and take rest. In the evening, I play with my friends. I study almost 3 hours and then I eat my dinner at 9 p.m. Before going to bed, I watch TV for 30 minutes. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell so you would not miss the updates of any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care. And now I will meet you in my next video.